You're in the video, bitch. What's up, guys? My boy Kevin just did his whole new setup over again. You put a borgwarner what?
5761
on his n54. As you can see, like on his, I ran him before, but he was on a bigger setup and his boost controller was apparently not working. So supposedly it's running good now. We're gonna see what it does. We're gonna run against my car. I got a slipping clutch and no tires, but we're gonna see what it does. This doesn't have any lag, right? No, I'm saying it has any lag, like, or a two-step? All right. 6-speed m54 car. Rev it up real quick. That shit opens up when it's under boost though. She gets pretty loud, I'm not gonna lie. You'll hear it in the video. I'm gonna run my car, which is the E30 Super Pump and Active Auto Work downpipe 6-speed car. I really want to see what this shit's gonna do now, because this shit took a little while to get done again. All right. I slipped fourth. I slipped fourth. That's why you come back. You go again. Huh? Yeah. I spun.
Yeah, it's wet here.
Yeah. We gotta go. Let's go straight.